No one is like you, Lord. You are great, and your name is mighty in power. Amen. Jesus, wala nang papantay sa kabutihan mo at katapatan. O Diyos, ikaw lamang ang sandigan